Good morning guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Shahana. And today, ang aga ko nagising. It's 3:45 in the morning kasi kailangan kong make-upan si Jera kasi later magpa-parade siya kasi start ngayon ng municipal meet namin. Hey guys, this is the final look. Ang pangit! Tibang yung foundation. Hello everyone, I'm done. What the heck, I'm done? So anyways, this is my OOTD. Hey guys, I'm wearing a black top and then a elephant pants. So I'm going to school na kasi it's already 7 o'clock and then start ng period is 7 but malilate na ako kasi 7 na, so baka makakapunta ako doon around 7:30 or 8. So yeah, hi guys. Nagpa-parade kami ngayon, so late na kami dumating guys dahil dito. Sorry. Kasi ako, hindi pa ako natutulog. At matutulog ako mamaya. Super init guys. Super init guys. Hindi ko na carry. May I have some tissue please? Wala lang. Wala lang. Rhea. Hi guys. Nasa room na ako ngayon. I'm with my pretty girl Tisha and Kat. Say hi. Dahil mo siya nakita, may itom kaya. Hi guys. So magre-refresh muna ako. Player siya guys, player. Yeah. Player na perming late. Dahil man nakauno.
Player na perming nakapants.
Dapat guys, Tagalog pala ako kasi hindi niyo ako may intindihan. Anyways,
Kape tayo?
No! Nag-perming na ako. Lagi na ako nagugulat mo sa unboyabe. Akala ko joke lang yun. Totoo pala yun. So pag naramihan ka ng kape, kahit kung may ano, baga mas kidaya man kasi gigulat, magugulat man ka.
Paano yung gulat? Yung gulat yan.
Anyways guys,
Pabebe.
magre-retouch ako. I'm using this loose powder from Pink Flag.
Waxing my nails na nasira.
Wala pala akong blush on guys.
Asa yung blush on mo? Di mo nadala?
Sira na.
Boyan? Di mo dinala kahit sira?
No.
Oh my god guys, naka-stop pala
Si
siya.
Boobs.
So anyways,
Si Boobs.
Nag-ano na, look at our outfit
Sino yan, Boobs?
guys. Anyway guys, tapos ko lang mag-retouch. So, hindi ko alam kung anyways guys, this is us. Tinatapal na naman.
Diba? The prettiest.
Tita.
Wait lang guys, standby lang kayo sa vlog ko dahil hindi ko na alam kung anong vlog na tong nangyayari sa buhay ko.
Hi guys, I'm in the faculty office.
Guys, malapit na kami matapos sa PR. chips. And I'm so happy. Finally. Matatapos na rin kami sa POs. Guys, nagbe-breakdown ako ngayon, guys.
Come on.
Ganda. Hi guys, it's already, what time is it now? Anong oras na? Anong oras na, Johanna? 2:20. It's already 2:20 in the afternoon and I'm in the faculty office again kasi nagpapahinga ako. Kakatapos ko lang manood ng game sa volleyball and hindi pa nakakapag-play yung school namin sa volleyball kasi pang-5 pa sila. And later, pupunta kami sa Zone 7 kasi manonood kami ng basketball. Kasi laban yan ng Licom Senior High School basketball team. And yeah. Hi guys! We're on the way to Zone 7 kasi mag-start or nag-start na ata yung game nila. Papunta na kami doon. Stay tuned. Puta guys, live update, talo na yung Licom Senior High School. Wala lang kami, di lang kami nanood ng introduction. Talo sila. Pero kaya niyan guys, I believe in you and
Iban naman ako dito sa vlog mo.
Go Licom! Guys,
Ako maglaro.
ako. Kalaban nila yung Lais guys, mga magagaling. Ay! Hi guys, on the way to LTC na ulit kami kasi talo yung pambato namin. Guys, maray pa ito sa LTC ta may pag-add sa manggana sa amin.
Ano ba?
Hey, kwensya na. Shout out to our classmates. Okay lang yan. Mahal namin kayo. Hi Johanna. Hi Kisha. Kisha. Go Licom. Hello guys, it's a second day of municipal meet and look guys, it's raining so hard. Oh, but the view is so beautiful. Kaso guys, hindi nagpapakita ngayon yung vulkan na yun. Yes, I'm in Albay. So, yeah. Look. Oh. So, I'm in our building, in senior high school building. So, look at their outfits. So gorgeous. Kamukha nila yung mga matatanda nung sinaunang panahon. The color is not giving. Pero later guys, mag-makeup ulit ako. Ayusin ko yung mukha ko kasi I look so stressed.
I look so wala.
And they have a lot of pimples on my face. I'm so OA. Hi guys, it's December 13 right now and katatapos pala naman yung municipal meet. And after ng municipal meet guys, after ng municipal meet namin guys is nag-test kami sa isang subject. And wala akong review. Mabuti pa sila nagre-review. Hi guys! Kisha, hi! Really, Kisha. Nagre-review siya kasi sa kanya ka mamaya kakopya. Me without makeup. Hi guys! Live update. Kisha, Shannon.
So guys, nandito kami daw ng Shahana kasi kami yung pinakamaganda sa grupo and
Hi guys! Ano yan?
alamang ka, huwag ka tumabi sa akin. Kasi,
G-H-I.
wala na.
Guys, kakatapos ko pala mag-lunch. And then, I'm drinking water na.
Tamon.
This is our last day here in the school. Guys, wallet reveal. Super poor ko na. Yun na lang, 15 pesos. Ay, 25 pa pala pera ko. Pero guys, magbabayad pa ako 50 dahil hindi ako pinabuulan ng mudra ko. Hi, Johanna. Sino ang baliw? Where are you going, Abish? Form?
Si Abish!